the channel. These video names are going to have the grammar police calling on them for using the wrong grammar in context. This is literally going to get copyright striked. I mean, if you didn't believe me, there you go. Oh look, a Sans fangirl. It's 2019, okay? So, this looks Trace. Also, she said this guy is hers in her other video. Does that mean she's cheating on Sam? This is one of the worst memes I've ever seen on YouTube. Guys, look it! It's Crystalli's child! No wonder why she traces. This frame just looks so creepy. And yes, I know this is not Dolly's, so I'm giving 5 extra sins. This video picture is so blurry, and wait a minute, if she is with Sans, then who's she getting married with? Also, FNAF. Also, Boris from Go Animate. Also, too many cringy fandoms I can't even explain except for SpongeBob and others. I wonder what Looney would say if he saw this. This playlist. This is copied from the Loves commercial. I'm officially stopping it here. Let me know if you want a part 2.